Alright, so I decided to do an unboxing for the Pink Dolphin Rare Box campaign. I got the $100 box. I wish they would have let you mix and match sizes, but I decided to get the medium box. So I have it right here, as you can see. So let's see what's inside. Alright, I'm really looking forward to the sweatshirts because I think those were the biggest bang for your buck, but let's see what we got. Alright, so first off, looks like we got bandana or scarf, I'm guessing, whatever you want to call it. So, very nice. Got the pink and white Pink Dolphin scarf, fresh. Next up, start with the hats. Okay, got the black hat, gray with the pink and yellow dolphins, pretty fresh, pretty fresh. Snapback. Then we got the white and navy anchor hat, also pretty fresh. Let's move on to the clothes. So, this is the first fleece. We have black hoodie, very fresh. Pink Dolphin logo. Next we have another black one, another black hoodie. This is great because I really wanted hoodies over a crew neck, so with the blue lettering, blue anchor if you can see. And last, got another hoodie. Fucking sweet. The little red anchor man. Pretty fresh. So far so good, very pleased. Got a little keychain here. Dope leather keychain. Ooh, what do we have here? No idea what's in this little box. Let's see. Okay. Got a little, just a wallet. Very nice. Yeah, card holder slash wallet. It's pretty fucking fresh. Alright. Next, let's move on to the tees. We got the gray tee. Little green dolphin. Oops. Next we got yellow tee. Little octopus on it, or squid. Fresh. Next we have white tee, the plus sign. It's also very nice. And we got the gray tee with the purple P, big P. Sick. And then we have the black tee, some anchors on it. Cool. And last but not least, we have this forest green tee, some X's. And then we have some more little blue keychain, some stickers. Ooh, and we got something else in here. I have no idea what this is. What? Oh wow. A little coin pouch. It's pretty fresh. So I'm all in all pretty happy and impressed by this. Got some legit accessories. Got this coin pouch. Got this card holder wallet. This is all fresh. So thank you, Pink Dolphin. This was $100 mystery box, and I'm very happy with it. And hope you all enjoyed what I had inside. Peace.